Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to cancel your Intuit Quickbooks subscription in 2025 step by step. Let's get right into it. First, open QuickBooks online and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. Now, make sure you're under the Company tab. If you manage multiple companies within QuickBooks, double-check that you're working with the correct one. Next, head over to the Billing and Subscription sections. Here you will see the active QuickBooks online subscription link to your account. To cancel subscription, simply locate the one you want to stop. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. And that's it. You have successfully canceled your QuickBooks subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tool solutions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.